Polycystic ovarian disease or polycystic ovarian syndrome, some people call it PCOS nowadays, is a condition which affects about 10 to 15% girls or women of Indian origin. Now, it is important to understand it is not a disease that we can cure. It results from a little bit abnormal hormone production from the ovaries. Now, we as females produce a lot of female sex hormone from the ovaries, but we also produce little bit of male hormone which has its own actions. In PCOS, the male hormone production is more than in non-PCOS women, and that is the culprit. So this increase in male hormone, it interferes with maturation and release of eggs from the ovaries. That is why the periods get delayed, which is a very common symptom of polycystic ovaries. Other manifestations are those of the excess male hormone like acne, like increase in facial hair or body hair, and typically you find this hair growth is in areas which are male hormone dependent, like the sideburns, mustache, beard, upper chest, lower abdomen. So besides the PCOS constitution, which increases male hormone production, the next most important factor which affects this condition is the body weight. As the weight increases, the insulin level goes up and stimulates further the male hormone production. So the first line of treatment should be lifestyle modification and weight reduction, which will naturally bring down the male hormone level and reduce all the symptoms. In women with more severe condition, we add hormonal treatment to reduce acne and excessive hair growth, and women with infertility or trying to get pregnant, we have different treatment modalities which helps them ovulate and get pregnant.